Good night. My name is Hernan Lozano. In this occasion, I will present you the case diamond supermarket um, to phase 3. The name of the selected strategy in this occasion is retrenchment. General definition of the selected strategy. The retrenchment strategy is the one used when company organizations have been failing and have severe financial deficits. What is done is to cut everything that is additional to production or is being used but also cuts are made in sales headquarters, staff or equipment that are not contributing to the immediate needs of the company. In order to reduce the company to absolutely only what is necessary in order that it is, allows it to survive in the market, to stabilize the finances and prepare of the change of the strategy in the future to definitely have a bankruptcy. This position is very difficult for the company because it's a defensive strategy. Okay, application of the strategy to sort out the situation in the case. In this case, I apply the strategy retrenchment in the diamond supermarket. In order to apply the retrenchment strategy, it proposes that the property used as a warehouse in the center of the city be put up for sale, and that the process be used to acquire a warehouse property that fits the current needs of the company, the diamond supermarket, such as a space that is suitable for the use of warehousing that fits in a geographical location or geographical place to the supply chain of the supermarket in order to achieve a cost reduction in the supply of the supermarket. This strategy is applied in the supermarket when the warehouse is replaced for another warehouse that is better for the supermarket in a better location or better um, long space. And that's all of my exposition. Thank you. Thanks.